Welcome back. It's just one day to go for Bihar votes in the second phase of assembly polls. 32 seats are at stake. While campaigning has ended for the phase, speculation over the result is only increasing. TV Today's managing editor Rahul Kamal was at the prestigious Women's College in Patna, where he spoke to students about their expectations from the next state government.
The number of women voters in the first phase of polling in Bihar was more than the number of male voters. Now pundits and netas alike are confused about where these extra women voters are casting their mandate. To try and get a sense of what's going on in the minds of the women voters of Bihar, we are currently at Patna's prestigious Women's College, and joining us are students from the journalism and mass communication class here at the Patna Women's College. Let's try and understand from them what are their big issues for the elections in Bihar and who is their favorite. Who do they believe can steer their future? Thank you all very much for joining us here at the Patna Women's College. I want to understand from you at the beginning who you think these extra women are casting their mandate.
They are casting their mandate for their benefit. First of all, it's beneficial for the government as well, and now they are aware of their rights, what they actually deserve, so they are casting their vote. And उनका जो सिक्योरिटी का जो मुद्दा है वगैरह वगैरह जो भी उनके सारे मुद्दे हैं, उनको पता है कि व्हाट विल वी डू, तो हमारी उन सारी चीजों का हल होगा. सो दे आर कास्टिंग देयर वोट्स. और मेरा यही मानना है कि ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि women आ रही हैं और पुरुषों से ज्यादा निकल कर आ रही हैं वोट करने.
So the extra women who are coming out and voting, are they voting according to you of their own volition, or are they voting in the manner in which the male members in their family would like them to?
Well, it depends from the family they are coming, because the rural areas still women have to listen to the man in the house and then they vote accordingly. But definitely I as a woman certainly won't listen to my parents or my family members before voting. I think I'll judge everyone and then I'll go ahead and vote. So I think it's like a divided thing. Some of them are voting because of the pressure they have from the family members, and some are voting because of their own mind.
Tell us, what according to you are the big issues for the women voters of Bihar?
Unemployment. Unemployment is one of the biggest issues, not only for the women, but for all the genders. Education is another. Women's safety is another one of the major issues. Unemployment, I want to focus your point of view of the government, just because we have seen that the national per capita income of India is approx 40,000, whereas when we compare the per capita income of the people of the Bihar, it is less than half of the national per capita income. It is around 19,000 something approx. So government Nitish always says that in Patna, in Bihar has been developed, but in what criteria? Still we have unemployment, and the student who are studying over here prefer to go on the different places on Delhi and other metro cities rather than to study.
Do you see that change? That's a very important point. The fact that there are so many youngsters from Bihar who come and work in Delhi, who come and work in Mumbai and other places. Do you see that trend change, or do you believe your future is safest outside Bihar?
According to me, I don't think there is a change, because right now also there are people who migrate from Bihar. They don't prefer staying in Bihar and working over here, or like students, they also don't prefer much to stay in Bihar and study in Patna, but they prefer going outside. They prefer migrating outside. They feel like they'll get much opportunities, much exposure outside if they migrate from Bihar.
How do you all rate and assess the work that's been done by Nitish Kumar over the past 10 years? Do you think he's been a good chief minister?
Yeah, if we focus on women, if we relate women with Nitish work, then yeah, he did. But somehow, in some points, he lacked also. As rape के केसेस कम होते हैं, बट क्राइम के केसेस कम होते हैं, बट ईव टीजिंग के केसेस कम नहीं होते हैं. अगर आप बोर्डिंग रोड में जाते हो, अगर आप कोई इनर एरियाज में जाते हो, कहीं भी जाते हो, ईव टीजिंग इज कॉमन. इट्स लाइक आप किसी भी लड़की से पूछ लो, जनरली 99% हैज फेस्ड ईव टीजिंग इन हर लाइफ. सो इसको लेके किसी गवर्नमेंट ने कोई काम नहीं किया, एंड आई थिंक उनको इस पे फोकस करना चाहिए.
बिहार का ये चुनाव है दो सोच के बीच, दो बड़ी शख्सियतों के बीच. एक तरफ नरेंद्र मोदी हैं, दूसरी तरफ नीतीश कुमार. आपके हिसाब से बिहार के फ्यूचर के लिए, आप लोगों के लिए फ्यूचर के लिए बेहतर कौन है?
मोदी. अभी हम लोग के पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, हम लोग ऑप्शन लेस हो चुके हैं क्योंकि मोदी
अभी तक
लालू के साथ मतलब मिल गए हैं और उनके साथ हैं हम लोग नीतीश लालू के साथ हैं और हम लोग लालू को नहीं लाना चाहते हैं। तो अगर हम लोग नीतीश को लाएंगे तो फिर लालू भी आ जाएंगे। और मोदी जो कि बीजेपी अपना कैंडिडेट घोषित नहीं करती है, हमें पता ही नहीं होता है कि हमारा उम्मीदवार जो हमें आगे चल के हमें सुनेगा वो कौन होगा।
बीजेपी को वोट मिलने का एक मेजर रीजन ये भी होगा क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल विल नॉट वांट कि लालू फिर से आए।
आप लोग लालू से मेरे को लग रहा है काफी डरे हुए हो, काफी परेशान हो। आपको लगता है कि नीतीश का लालू से हाथ मिलाना गलत था?
बिल्कुल गलत था सर।
क्यों गलत था?
क्योंकि सर नीतीश जब से आया है बहुत डेवलपमेंट हुआ है, ठीक है, बट लालू में ऐसा नहीं था। गर्ल्स खुद को सेफ नहीं महसूस कर पाती थी, वो जहाँ जाती थी उन्हें डर लगा रहता था कि कहीं कुछ उनके साथ हादसा ना हो जाए। बट लालू के साथ मिलना गलत है, बिल्कुल गलत है, क्योंकि
में उन्होंने 10 साल वर्क किया एज वी कॉल जंगल राज ऑफ लालू। उनके कंपैरिजन में नीतीश का टेन्योर आया 10 साल का और वो उस समय कहते थे कि वी डिड डेवलपमेंट इन कंपैरिजन विथ लालू। लालू के टाइम क्या था एंड अब हमारे टाइम में क्या है। तो आप जिसके कंपैरिजन में अपना काम शो कर सकते थे आज उसी के साथ आपने अपना हाथ मिला लिया। तो इट्स
यहाँ पे सर ईगो की बात हो गई है। बात ये होती है कि अगर सेंटर की तरफ से कुछ आता है तो नीतीश जी कहते हैं ले जाइए, हमें नहीं चाहिए। इसलिए क्योंकि उन्हें लगता है कि अरे ये तो मेरे इनने स्वाभिमान पे इन्होंने चोट कर दी। स्वाभिमान रैली भी उन्होंने की थी। तो यही बात है, अगर नीतीश वापस आते तो सेंटर स्टेट का जो रिलेशन होगा वो बहुत इफेक्ट करेगा।
If we talk about Bihar, it's have a very bad education system and image तो बहुत ही खराब है बिहार का। If we talk about education system,
Did it all hurt you when those images came out and everybody thought that that's really representative of the state of education in Bihar?
You cannot look at any point from just one aspect. Just because of that picture, the whole Bihar was spoiled. The image of Bihar was spoiled completely.
लोगों को लगा कि बिहार में तो ऐसा ही होता
It's not that the education system is badly at every place in Bihar. We have good education. We have good schools.
we know we work hard for our examinations. We know
Yes.
how we write our exams. We are not climbing up windows and giving answer sheets to our.
So there's no one standing on the windows outside trying to throw chits inside?
no.
Very interesting. Young voices from the Patna Women's College. Young girls who clearly like some of what Nitish has done but are very unhappy with his alliance with Lalu Prasad Yadav. Now the question is, these are of course a sample of the urban voices of young Bihar. What's going on in the minds of girls in rural Bihar as well, that too will play a role in determining what happens in the battle for Bihar 2015.